Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's see how to solve the seventh question in exercise 5.1. If root of y plus root of y minus x is equal to c, show that dy by dx is equal to y by x minus square root of y square by x square minus 1. So let's first note down the expression that we need to differentiate, which is square root of y plus x plus square root of y minus x is equal to c. We are supposed to find dy by dx. So let's start here. So before doing differentiation, I'm rearranging this as y plus x to the power half plus y minus x to the power half. Makes differentiation easier. Now let's start with the actual differentiation. So this is half into y plus x to the power minus half. Then I need to differentiate y plus x, which is nothing but dy by dx plus 1. Now let's do the same thing for the second term. So this is plus half into y minus x to the power minus half. I need to differentiate y minus x, which is nothing but dy by dx minus 1. Now to the right side, differentiation of c is a constant, so here it is 0. Now I'm going to do a term-wise multiplication. That is, I'm going to multiply this term first with dy by dx, then with 1. We will do it for both the terms. So let's start. Half into y plus x to the power minus half dy by dx plus 1. If I multiply, I'm simply getting this. So half into y plus x to the power minus half plus half into y minus x to the power minus half dy by dx minus 1 by 2 into y minus x to the power minus half is equal to 0. Now that we have multiplied everything term-wise, I'm only going to retain the dy by dx terms in the left side and move other terms to the right side. So let's do that. So this is half into y plus x to the power minus half dy by dx plus half into y minus x to the power minus half dy by dx. I've just retained the dy by dx terms here. Let's move this term and this term to the other side. So in this case, this is negative. So when it goes there, it is positive. So 1 by 2 into y minus x to the power minus half minus 1 by 2 into y plus x to the power minus half. Now, all the minus half terms, I'm going to bring it to the denominator as roots. So let's do that as a next step. So this is 1 by 2 into root of y plus x dy by dx plus 1 by 2 into root of y minus x dy by dx is equal to half into root of y minus x minus 1 by 2 into root of y plus x. So in both the left and the right side, we are going to just combine and take the common terms outside. So let's start with the half on both left and right side. So I'm taking the 1 by 2 from here. So this becomes 1 by root of y plus x dy by dx plus 1 by root of y minus x dy by dx is equal to, I'm taking the half from that side. So this is 1 by root of y minus x minus 1 by root of y plus x. The next step what we are going to do is, in both sides we have taken the half as common. So I'm going to simply remove half outside. So this is gone and this is gone. Now let's take the dy by dx outside. So this is dy by dx. Now open brackets 1 by root of y plus x plus 1 by root of y minus x. In the other side, it is simply 1 by root of y minus x minus 1 by root of y plus x. In both sides, we are going to do LCM next. So in this case, it is dy by dx, open brackets. LCM, in this case, it's just the product. So root of y plus x into root of y minus x can be written as root of y square minus x square, a plus b into a minus b sitting inside the root. Now for the numerator, it is root of y minus x plus root of y plus x is equal to, let's do the LCM side on the other thing also. So this is again root of y square minus x squared. Now here it is root of y plus x minus of root of y minus x. Now I'm going to keep the dy by dx on the left side, and in the next step I'm going to take this whole expression to the right side. So let's do that now. So in this case, the dy by dx, I'm going to leave it on the left side. This whole expression, if I take it to the other side, this becomes the numerator and this expression becomes the denominator. When I write it in the numerator, let's see how it is done. This is root of y square minus x square divided by root of y minus x plus root of y plus x. This is what I have taken from the left side into whatever is there already in the right side, which is root of y plus x minus root of y minus x divided by root of y square minus x squared. So I'm going to cut off this particular numerator and denominator term. So let's simplify the dy by dx again. So in this case, dy by dx is equal to root of y plus x minus root of y minus x divided by root of y minus x plus root of y plus x. Now, if I leave it like this, I will not be able to write or compare it to the given expression in the numerical. So let's start to do the simplification. Now the denominator is of the form a plus b. So I'm going to multiply it with the form a minus b. So this is root of y minus x minus root of y plus x. Whatever we do to the denominator, we have to do it to the numerator. So root of y minus x minus of root of y plus x, both in the numerator and denominator. Now again, let's simplify. Dy by dx is equal to, as far as the denominator is concerned, a plus b into a minus b is a squared. Square of y minus x, the roots is going to be simply y minus x, because the root and the square will vanish, minus of, again let's do it, y plus x square root. When you square it, the root will vanish. So this is another y plus x. Now as per the numerator is concerned, it is simply y plus x minus root of y minus x, the whole square, because the same term is getting multiplied on both the sides. Now let's apply the formula a minus b the whole square. So in this case, dy by dx is now going to become a squared is simply y plus x. Now plus b squared, which is going to be y minus x, minus 2 into root of y plus x into root of y minus x. That's the 2ab term, divided by, I'm removing the brackets here. So this is y minus x minus y minus x. So the minus y and the minus y will get cancelled. So let's keep the minus 2 there. So now dy by dx is reduced as 2y, this plus x and minus x will get cancelled. So minus 2 into root of y square minus x squared. The denominator is minus 2x. I'm taking the minus sign into the numerator. So what will happen is, this will become 2 root of y square minus x square minus 2y divided by 2x. The next step, I'm going to remove the 2 from every place. So this is going to be equal to dy by dx is equal to, take the 2 outside, y minus root of y square minus x squared divided by 2x. The 2 and the 2 will get cancelled. So this is equal to y by x, or let's first write it, root of y minus root of y square minus x square divided by x. So when I bring in the term there, this is y by x minus, when I bring it inside the root, I have to make it as y square minus x square, the whole thing divided by x. Next step, I'm taking the x inside. So let's see how that works. So in this case, it is dy by dx is equal to y by x minus, when simply x enters the root, it will become x squared. So this is y square minus x squared divided by x squared. So this is y by x minus of root of y square by x square minus 1. This is what they were asking us to prove. So we did that. So hence proved. In the next video, we will see how to solve the 8th question in this exercise.
Please extend your support to me by subscribing to my channel Smartly Learn. You can also reach out to me through my website www.smartlylearn.in for more practice worksheets. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.